Hello student, welcome once again in our next lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Student, I think you are all aware of fishing or you would like to eat fish. Here, let's see what is given in the lesson. What is happen about fish? Student, do you know some names of fishes? Yes, we know some names of fishes like red mullet, skate, lobster. I think you all have eaten crabs, is it? But a vegetarian do not. Okay, students. So let's start the lesson, and this is a picture story, one of the interesting story that we heard like Akbar and Birbal stories, like the stories of Mark Twain, etc. Okay, students. So let's start. Look at that picture. It is like a comic book that contains picture story. Okay, student. Let's see. So it was the season for Hilsa fish. Here in this lesson or this story, it was mentioned that Hilsa fish. Okay, so fisherman could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. On those days, fishermen only thought about Hilsa fish. They went in the sea or in a lake for only catching Hilsa fish because it may be very costly or it is very tasty and it was very demanded. Okay, student, like that. So people or that fisherman think of nothing but only Hilsa fish. Okay, look at that next picture. Fishermongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish, and they only sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. And they said that come buy, the price of Hilsa means Hilsa fish is down today. That fishermongers means that sailors. Okay, okay. Look at that next picture. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. Here, look at that. Everybody was talking about Hilsa fish. That householder, fishmongers, that fish catchers means fisherman. So they are all also talking about Hilsa fish. Okay, so householders. Let's see. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? One of householder in a village. She explained or she told like that, how she asked like that, how much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. And that villager replied her that you wouldn't believe if I told you. Okay, and in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Look at that. Again, the palace, and in a palace, that courtiers in the palace, they also discuss about Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa. I caught it. It was. I caught one of courtryman. He also discussed in the palace with a king that your Majesty, hey king, have you ever seen the huge Hilsa that I caught? It was so big. Like he was doing an action of, he was showing that the how much, how big Hilsa fish was. Okay, like that. Look at that next page. Stop it! Suddenly, what happened? That king get annoyed, and he or told loudly, or he said loudly, "Stop it! Are you courtier or a fisherman? You are just talking with about Hilsa." The courtier fell silent with the downcast eyes, and he felt very silent. Actually, he very regret for his saying. The king left guilty also, but after saying this, king also felt very guilty. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one is discuss about or no one is discuss anything else about Hilsa. Okay, like that. King also said sorry to that courtier. He said that he lost his temper, like that. Okay, look at that next picture. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. And here king actually reminds that Gopal was very clever courtier, and he also believed that Gopal would not also stop anyone to talk about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. And here uh, king said that not even for 5 minutes Gopal could stop anybody to talk about Hilsa fish. Oh, I think I could, your majesty. But Gopal replied that, look at that Gopal. And he replied that, oh king, I will stop. Okay, let me one chance. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Then king gave him a challenge. Hey Gopal, let me see. Uh, buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Then Gopal accepted the challenge. I accept the challenge, your majesty. Okay, then see what happened. Look at that. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? Look at that wife of Gopal. She asked Gopal about uh, why your face is half shaven. Means doing while shaving, Gopal only done half shave of him. Okay, I am dressing up to buy a fish. And Gopal replied that I am dressing up. This is my dressing up, and I am dressing to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? And then while uh, while doing his shaving, after that shaving, he was actually smearing some ash on his face. Okay, i told I told you I'm dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. And he again give a reply to her, to his wife, that I'm dressing up, I'm doing that dressing to buy the hilsa fish. Okay, let's see what happened next. Look at that next picture. Listen to me, his wife again replied, listen to me, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? She again warned her husband Gopal, don't go out in this disgraceful dress. Okay, this is very bad. You are looking very funny. How many times must I tell you, woman? I'm not to buy a huge, I am out to buy a huge hilsa fish. Hey, my wife, how many times I have told you that I just made this dressing up to buy the huge hilsa fish. It's happened to him. He's gone mad. And his wife thought that Gopal was going to be mad. Okay, let's see what happened. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking toward the palace. And then Gopal went to the market and purchased a huge hilsa fish. And while walking, one little boy said that, Mother, look at the man, isn't he comical? That little boy said that, look at that man who was actually a comical, because he was half shaven and smear some ash on his face, and it looks like a ugly, and who had actually a hilsa fish in his hand. Okay, like that. So he must be a madman, another villager replied. He must be a madman, maybe. Hush, I think he's a mistake. I think he was going to be a mad. Okay, like that. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? That guard said. Guard that actually prohibited him and said, what do you want? Who are you? Then Gopal replied, I want to see the king. I want to see the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Okay. Then that one guard replied, you can't see the king. Get away. Go away from here. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. But in front of these guards, Gopal, see, look at that Gopal. He again began to dance and sing loudly. Isn't it very funny, student? Let's see what happened. In within this time, inside the palace, the man is crazy. The king heard some words from the outsiders that the man is crazy, thrown him out at once. I want to see the king, let me in. These things that was actually heard by the king. Okay, then king replied, bring that man to me at once. Then king replied to his guard that bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. Then that guard replied, yes, your majesty, I will bring him. Okay, Gopal was brought before the king, and then Gopal was brought before the king in that funny attire. Okay, it's Gopal, one of the courtier replied. It's Gopal. Hey. Then next courtier replied that the man has lost his mind, maybe he was going to be mad. I think it's one of his crazy joke. Another courtier replied that I think it's one of his crazy jokes. And then let's see what happened. Then king said that, all right Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Then by surprise, king asked, hey Gopal, why are you dress up like this in this ridiculous fashion? Then Gopal replied that, your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Gopal reminded his king that, hey king, I think you seem to have forgotten something. Forgotten something? Look at that king's face. He said that, forgotten something? Yes, Gopal again replied that, strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. And then Gopal told king that when I purchased the Hilsa fish from the market to the palace, no one was noticed the Hilsa fish, but all men and women only looked towards the me and my this ridiculous attire. Okay, so like that, and only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to the Gopal, and then only king remind his challenge, who what actually he gave to the Gopal. Then king laughed, ha ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. And again, king congratulate Gopal about his achievement. Okay, student, like this picture story ends here, and it is very comical. Okay, then we will see its question answer in our next session. Thank you for hearing.